Click on the link below to get price. The Juki DDL-8100e economic Lockstitch industrial sewing machine is designed to cater to both professional seamstresses and those who are just beginning their sewing journey. This machine marries functionality with a straightforward design, making it a suitable choice for various sewing projects. At first glance, the DDL-8100e stands out with its sleek white exterior and compact build, which is typical of industrial sewing machines. It operates using a single needle lockstitch mechanism, an established method known for producing strong, durable seams. This makes it a reliable option for those who work with heavier fabrics, such as denim or canvas, as well as lighter materials like cotton. One of the key features of this machine is its speed. The Juki DDL-8100e can sew at an impressive rate, providing a maximum speed of up to 5,500 stitches per minute. This high-speed operation can significantly enhance productivity for individuals or businesses that require efficient sewing solutions. Additionally, it features an automatic lubrication system which ensures that the machine runs smoothly over extended periods, preserving its longevity and maintaining performance. In terms of usability, the DDL-8100e includes a variety of helpful adjustments. The stitch length can be easily modified, allowing users to choose between different stitch sizes depending on their project's requirements. Furthermore, the machine is equipped with a foot pedal that provides precise control over sewing speed, enabling users to work meticulously or quickly as needed. Setting up the Juki DDL-8100e is relatively straightforward, thanks to its clear instructions and intuitive design. Users will find that threading the machine and winding the bobbin is a simple process, allowing them to focus on their sewing projects without unnecessary hassle. The machine's sturdy construction also contributes to its stability during operation, which is particularly beneficial when working on larger pieces. In conclusion, the Juki DDL-8100e economic Lockstitch industrial sewing machine presents a solid option for individuals seeking a reliable and efficient sewing machine. With its robust build, high-speed capability, and user-friendly features, it serves as a versatile tool suitable for a variety of sewing tasks. Whether one is a seasoned professional or a novice, the Juki DDL-8100e aims to provide a dependable sewing experience.